In moments when progress seems halted by unseen forces, understanding how to identify and remove these blockages becomes essential. This video will look into practical strategies for recognizing and overcoming the barriers that hinder personal and professional growth. By addressing these obstacles, you can pave the way for a smoother journey, allowing you to move forward with greater clarity and purpose. Today, we'll explore actionable steps to not only identify these blockages, but also implement effective methods to dissolve them, setting the stage for a more fulfilling life. Identifying blockages is the first crucial step toward removing them. But what exactly are these blockages? They can appear in various forms: mental, emotional, or even physical. Mental blockages could be limiting beliefs or long-held assumptions about what you can or cannot do. Emotional blockages might include unresolved feelings such as fear, anger, or sadness that cloud your judgment and affect your daily interactions. Physically, it might be unhealthy lifestyle choices that drain your energy and impede your well-being. To start identifying your blockages, begin with introspection. Ask yourself questions like, what areas in my life feel stagnant? When do I feel the most frustrated or powerless? Reflection is key. Think about the times you felt held back and try to understand the common factors in those situations. This process isn't about judging yourself. It's about understanding your current state and envisioning where you want to be. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in how you approach blockages. A negative mindset might see these blockages as permanent and insurmountable, whereas a positive, growth-oriented mindset views them as temporary obstacles that can be overcome. The power of your thoughts cannot be underestimated. They shape your perceptions, actions, and ultimately your reality. Shifting your mindset begins with awareness. Recognize the tone and content of your internal dialogues. Are they mostly negative? Do they affirm your capability and worth, or do they beat you down? Start changing these narratives to more supportive and empowering ones. Instead of saying, I can't handle this, try, I'm learning how to handle this better every day. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, your mindset will start to align more with your goals and aspirations rather than your fears. Your daily habits and routines play a critical role in either sustaining blockages or helping you break through them. Habits form the framework of our lives. They dictate our productivity, mood, health, and even our relationship. When habits are aligned with our goals and values, they can propel us forward and help clear away blockages. Conversely, unhelpful habits can keep us trapped in a cycle of negativity and stagnation. To leverage habits in clearing blockages, start by examining your current routines. Which habits contribute to your well-being and which ones detract from it? For instance, a habit of nightly review and planning can set a clear focus for the next day, reducing feelings of overwhelm and uncertainty. On the other hand, habits like excessive screen time before bed can disrupt your sleep and reduce your mental clarity. Introducing small but impactful habits such as meditating for 10 minutes a day or allocating time for physical activity can dramatically improve how you feel physically and mentally. The key is consistency. Even the smallest habits, when maintained daily, can lead to significant changes over time. Emotional intelligence is your ability to understand and manage your emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. Developing this skill is crucial for identifying and overcoming personal blockages. And by becoming more aware of your emotional triggers and reactions, you can make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and go through challenges more adeptly. To enhance your emotional intelligence, start by practicing mindfulness, being fully present and engaged in the current moment. This practice helps you observe your feelings without judgment, giving you clearer insight into your emotional landscape. Techniques such as journaling or talking through your feelings with a trusted friend or therapist can also provide deeper understanding and release from emotional blockages. As your emotional intelligence grows, you'll find it easier to detach from negative emotions and choose responses that align more closely with your desired outcomes. By cultivating positive habits and enhancing your emotional intelligence, you not only clear existing blockages, but also prevent new ones from forming. This proactive approach keeps you moving forward, ensuring that your path to personal growth remains open and unobstructed. Managing stress is another crucial factor in clearing blockages from your life. Stress can cloud your judgment, affect your physical health, and impede your emotional well-being, thereby reinforcing the very blockages you're trying to remove. Fortunately, you can adopt various techniques to manage and reduce stress, which in turn can help dissolve these barriers. Start by incorporating simple, effective stress management strategies into your daily routine. Meditation, for instance, helps calm the mind and offers you a sense of peace and clarity. Just a few minutes of meditation daily can significantly lower stress levels and enhance your focus. Yoga combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation, promoting holistic well-being. Regular practice can improve your physical flexibility and reduce mental stress. Additionally, deep breathing exercises are quick, accessible methods to relax the body and mind. The people around us play a significant role in either supporting or hindering our efforts to clear blockages. Positive, supportive relationships can encourage growth and change, providing emotional support and motivation. Conversely, toxic relationships can contribute to our blockages, perpetuating negative cycles that hinder our progress. To optimize the influence of relationships in your life, start by evaluating the nature of your current relationships. Encourage and nurture the connections that support and uplift you. It might be necessary to set boundaries or reduce contact with individuals who drain your energy or discourage your growth. Cultivating strong, healthy relationships involves communication, respect, and mutual support, all of which are essential for personal development and overcoming life's obstacles. By managing stress and fostering positive relationships, you create a supportive environment for yourself that is conducive to removing blockages and achieving personal growth. These practices not only aid in overcoming immediate hurdles, but also equip you to handle future challenges more effectively, ensuring that you continue on your path with fewer obstacles. Your physical health is the bedrock upon which you can build resilience against life's blockages. When your body is strong, energized, and well cared for, you are better equipped to tackle challenges and overcome obstacles. Neglecting physical health, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, illness, and decreased mental acuity, all of which can exacerbate existing blockages or create new ones. To strengthen this foundation, focus on 3 key areas: diet, exercise, and sleep. A nutritious diet fuels your body with the necessary vitamins and minerals to function optimally. Incorporate a variety of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Regular physical activity, whether it's walking, swimming, or participating in team sports, helps maintain cardiovascular health, improves mood by releasing endorphins, and enhances overall physical stamina. Ensure you get enough restorative sleep. Quality sleep each night helps consolidate memory, repair tissues, and rejuvenate your body and mind, preparing you for the challenges of the next day. There are times when personal efforts to clear blockages may need a boost from professional guidance. Whether it's a therapist, life coach, or a mentor, professionals can provide expertise and external perspectives that are invaluable in overcoming more complex blockages. Seeking professional advice can be particularly beneficial when you feel stuck despite your best efforts. A therapist can help you unravel deep-seated emotional blockages through various therapeutic techniques. Life coaches can offer strategies and action plans to move forward in your personal and professional life. Mentors provide wisdom, guidance, and encouragement based on their own experiences and successes, which can be incredibly motivating. It's important to choose a professional whose approach and philosophy align with your personal values and goals. By nurturing your physical health and seeking professional guidance when necessary, you build a robust platform from which you can launch your efforts to clear any blockages. These steps not only enhance your capacity to overcome current challenges, but also equip you with the tools and support necessary to manage future obstacles effectively, ensuring a clearer path forward in your personal and professional life. Setting clear, achievable goals is crucial for maintaining focus and motivation as you work to clear blockages from your life. Goals give you a concrete endpoint to aim for and help you measure progress along the way. When setting goals, ensure they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. This framework not only guides your efforts, but also provides a clear yardstick by which to evaluate your progress. Start small to build confidence. For example, if your goal is to reduce stress, you might set a goal to meditate for 10 minutes a day for a week. As you meet these smaller goals, gradually expand them to increase challenge and growth. So, it's also important to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating progress reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated, whether it's taking a day off to relax after reaching a milestone or treating yourself to something special. Acknowledging your success is vital for sustaining long-term commitment and enthusiasm. While we conclude this video, remember that clearing blockages from your life is a dynamic and ongoing process. Each step you've learned about today, from identifying what holds you back to setting goals and celebrating your victories, contributes to a more open, balanced, and fulfilling life path. Accepting these strategies will not only help you overcome current blockages, but also equip you with the knowledge and tools to prevent new challenges from becoming obstacles. While you continue on this journey, keep reflecting on your progress and be open to adjusting your strategies as needed. The path to a blockage-free life is rarely a straight line. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. But with each step forward, you're building a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. So take these insights, apply them with courage and optimism, and step into a clearer, more purposeful future.